Here at iCAN, we know being a kid during this global pandemic has been really difficult. We think it's important to understand how kids have felt, and we want to share the words of one of our youth members from Kids Houston chapter to tell you how she has felt during the past year.
Hi, my name is Regina. I'm 10th grade, and I wrote an essay for this year's iCAN Summit. The year 2020 will be remembered as the year of the COVID-19 pandemic, and it has continued on to 2021. The impact of the pandemic has brought some short-term interruptions, but also some that can potentially result in longer-term consequences. First and foremost, one of the largest hurdles that we have all had to endure is shifting everything online. School, doctor appointments, work, and even social events all quickly became virtual. And to say it has been a difficult adjustment to make would be an understatement. Because of the pandemic, we unfortunately had important events canceled or postponed, including graduations, parties, ceremonies, as well as some other events. School closures have made us have to participate in learning from home. We have had to turn to digital solutions and be responsible for our own learning. Hospital access has also been highly restricted. Our appointments, immunizations, and even surgeries have also been postponed. Another issue worth noting that we have all faced is being unable to socialize with most of our loved ones in person. Birthdays, graduations, prom, homecoming, vacations, births, and funerals are just a sample of the life events we missed. Social distancing, stay-at-home orders, and limits to gatherings affected our ability to gather in person with friends and family. Fortunately, we have technology. We have all discovered many ways to socialize with the people we love through emails, texts, phone calls, and video calls. As grateful as all of us may be for the technology that has been getting us through this pandemic, we all know that virtual social events never fulfill us as much as in-person events did in the past. Now that some time has passed, we have also gotten creative and found ways to gather together in person safely with the guidance of public health professionals. Our social, emotional, and mental well-being has also been impacted by the pandemic. The feelings of fear, stress, or sadness we have all felt at one point or another throughout the past year and a half have been on the rise due to the pandemic and its consequences. Most of us felt lots of fear of what the future could bring and fear for our health and our loved ones' health. Job losses and lost wages have also directly impacted some of our families' well-being. Regardless of all we have experienced, we are resilient and hopeful. Hope. The feeling that what is wanted can be had or that events will turn out for the best. Going forward, hope is something we all feel. Infection rates lowering substantially and vaccines being given are beginning to show that one day, all of this will be a thing of the past. There will be a day where we get to go back to normal as we knew it just a few short years ago.
Thank you, Regina. With the help of our community and partnering sponsors, we were able to create projects that the kids could do from home. On top of that, our kids showed incredible resiliency, and we wanted to share some of the amazing work that they did to stay safe and well during the pandemic.